Hello friends, welcome to the session. In last session, we learned about making component and reusing the component. So in this session, we will learn about storing this component in separate file and how can we import and export from different files. So let's start doing so. In source folder, I will make one components folder where I will write portion. Yes, in portion.js. So in this portion.js, I will paste this portion component. So for this component to operate, we need to import React here. So just import React from React. So now this portion will work fine. We will delete this here. So here we get error because this portion is not defined in this app.js file. So how can we use the portion that is defined in different file in this app.js file? So let's get into that. So we can export this function from this file. So we have two types of export. One is default export and another is multi export. So first let's see what is default export. So in default export we will write export default and we will write portion, and this will export our function. And in here what we do is we will import portion from, and we will go to component and portion. Now we imported this portion. See how it worked is we just export default the component, and in our app.js we imported that portion from that file, and this portion is used here. So now our compilation succeed, so we can see the result. It is same and is working. So this is how we can export default, right? But I need one name. Here is one const name is equal to Michael. So I need to export this name as well. So how can I export that? And to export that name, I can write here export as well. Export const. So this will export it as a multi export. I can export another also here. Name 2 is equal to Michael 2. So now this name and name 2, how can we import it here? We can import it like this. Import name inside a curly braces. We will define all the multi imports and from dot slash component slash person. So now we are importing name and name to here, and in name we can use that name here, name 2. Now let's see what is the output. So output is Michael and Michael 2 now instead of John. So our name and name 2 also got exported, but this is a multi export rather than default export. Default export is directly imported, whereas multi export is imported inside a curly bracket. So here is two import statement. One is default and another is multi-line, but the file is same. So in that case we can do like this. Just copy this and give here comma, and we can do